everyone. I have a stuffy nose, so I kind of sound funny today. And I sniff for emphasis. We have a little unboxing from FinfolkProductions. I got some leggings and some tops, and we're going to have a little persistence with little man Jesse. Hi, Jesse. And little again. Oh, no, you're going to help? Okay. So let's open this bad boy.
You have an audience.
I have an audience. I can use scissors almost. I know how. Okay. Done with the scissors. Oh boy. That's all done. And what is this? A receipt. Nobody needs to see that. So I got 2. This feels like, okay, so I got 2 tops, and I got them in, what did I get them in? Doesn't say. Pacific Wave, a top and leggings for both, and then Shipwreck Siren for the other set. I think that's the Shipwreck Siren. I don't know. It could be whatever. Okay. Let's just get cracking. That could be a good mermaid joke. Let's get cracking. Ooh. Ooh. These feel really good. Ooh, these feel very good. So this one is the Shipwreck Siren. And it feels very, very nice. Super, super soft. Very lush. And they're FinfolkProductions. And then a tag. There's that one. And I think this is the other top. Which is the Pacific Wave. Yep, here's the other top in the Pacific Wave. Yeah, so it's all with the black piping. It did not have the option for white piping, which I know some of them do, which is very strange because I like the white piping better. But we're gonna need scissors here. I don't feel like daring it. And these are horribly dull. Good thing plastic doesn't take much to cut, but these are the Pacific Wave leggings. Ooh. Oh, pardon me. Ooh, these feel good. I can't wait to try them on. Ooh, so they got an actually pretty high waistband. So it comes up. It does not look like it's going to fit, but I think it is. I got them in the leggings in a 3X, and then the tops in a 2, because proportionally wise, I'm weird. So Pacific Wave. Ooh, I'm loving these. No, these are Pacific Wave. They're not the Shipwreck Siren. Those are the next ones. Okay, that one goes there. Uh-oh. Little boy sees scissors. Because he's got to prove himself to be dangerous. Ooh. I think I found my favorite. Ooh, I love how dark these are. Ooh, these are nice. And then super grayed out on top. I'm loving these. I think these were the January tale of the month. I don't remember. I believe so. Don't quote me on it. Mermaid Red Dawn is nodding her head behind the camera, so I will take her word for it. Oh, these are so nice. And they feel so good. I'm pretty sure that you can swim with them. I know you can.
Yeah, you can. It says on their website you can.
What does?
Mm-hmm.
Made in US from imported fabrics. Well, that's helpful. Again, the tag is printed on. I really like that feature. I don't like tags that itch and dig into you and icky. Bad. These are super nice.
Can we take sharp objects away from little boy? He's trying to be dangerous.
Bad kitty. Bad. Okay.
Those look really pretty.
Yeah. I love the contrast between like the dark teal and then the gray at the waistband. I'm just, I am so for that.
The gradient's really nice too.
And I love on how Finfolk does their printing and stuff, because it's like they do their silicone. They take pictures of their silicone and then they just print them on the fabric, and it just it's so different, but so them. I'm loving it. So I will have to try these on. Oh, did you know? Oh, I'm so glad with the colors that I picked. Because I think Pacific Wave is a new one too. But they didn't have that one before. That's really nice. I'm so enjoying it. I will make sure to...
Pacific Wave is from their Black Friday sale.
Was it? I will make sure to... take pictures, because these are just oof, and they're super stretchy, so it's going to be interesting on what they look like when they're actually on, and if they're going to be see-through or not. I have heard that they could be. I'm not sure on that one, but I think they should be good. But graying out or stretching out wise, they don't look nice. Yeah. Looks like they might be okay, but oops. Little boy is doing stuff that he shouldn't, but whatever. But we're definitely gonna have to try these on. I will make sure to post pictures on Instagram. If you're not following me, make sure to follow me at mermaid.sunflower. Or you can definitely check out, this is going to be on YouTube, so duh. But make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. So I'm trying to think of like a catchphrase or something, but I'm just like, seize the day. There we go. Seize the day.